Does boiling vegetables remove nutrients? Boiling vegetables may reduce the content of water-soluble vitamins by as much as 50 to 60%, 7, 9, 11. Some minerals and vitamin A are also lost during cooking, although to a lesser extent. How do you boil vegetables without losing nutrients? Limit boiling. By preparing vegetables and not boiling them, water-soluble nutrients, especially vitamin C and the B vitamin folate, are retained. When boiling, those nutrients can be leached out into the water in great amounts and therefore not eaten. Are boiled vegetables still healthy? Boiling vegetables causes water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, B1 and folate to leach into the water. So unless you are going to drink the water along with your vegetables, such as when making soups and stews, these vitamins are typically poured down the sink. Why is boiling not recommended for vegetables? When you boil vegetables, you lose some of their water-soluble nutrients, says Chryssidis, who's also an accredited practicing dietitian. Examples of water-soluble vitamins include complex B vitamins, like vitamin B9/folate, vitamin B1/thiamine, and vitamin B2/riboflavin, and vitamin C. Does boiling vegetables remove nutrients in soup? Boiling vegetables as an accompaniment to a main meal results in some of the nutritional value being lost in the water, which is usually thrown away. Making soup with vegetables means the nutrients stay in the liquid. What vegetables should not be boiled? She told Shape magazine that certain vegetables, namely those containing water-soluble vitamins, should never be boiled if you can avoid it. That includes cabbage, spinach, kale, broccoli, spinach, beans, and peas. What is the unhealthiest way to cook vegetables? Boiling is the worst way to cook vegetables. You're going to lose a lot of the nutrients in the water unless you use it for soup, he warned. Boiling has a much longer cook time compared to, say, steaming, which uses less water and helps to retain nutrients. Is it healthier to boil or fry vegetables? Boiling is a common method for preparing vegetables. However, this practice may reduce the nutrient content of vegetables as water-soluble nutrients may leach out of the vegetables and into the water that is then discarded. Instead, frying or sautéing vegetables may be a better option. Does boiling broccoli lose nutrients? Boiling leaches out the vegetable's water-soluble vitamins in these vegetables, such as vitamin C and folate, as well as many of the glucosinolate compounds, which are water-soluble, too. Moreover, too much exposure to high temperatures destroys the enzyme that converts the inactive glucosinolates to active compounds. Is boiling the healthiest way to cook? Moist heat cooking methods, such as boiling and steaming, are the healthiest ways to prepare meats and produce because they're done at lower temperatures. Why do you put salt in water to boil vegetables? Just like pasta, cooking vegetables in salted water helps the seasoning permeate the vegetable. How do you get the most nutrients out of vegetables? Don't overcook vegetables. 1. Try different ways of cooking vegetables like sautéing, steaming or baking. 1. Try this vegetable stir-fry or broiled asparagus. 2. Use very small amounts of water and low heat when cooking. 2. Soups and stews are a good way to retain nutrients that are usually lost in cooking water. What are the benefits of boiling vegetables? Aids in weight loss. Prevents acidity. Treats and prevents kidney stones. Easy to digest. Provides healthy skin. Promotes hair growth. Used as weaning food for babies. Helps and treat inflammation of the stomach. Is broccoli healthier raw or cooked? Cooking, or not cooking, broccoli to protect its nutritional riches. The salt cooking broccoli too long destroys the beneficial enzyme that breaks down chemicals into cancer fighters. The best way to eat it is raw or steamed for just 2 to 3 minutes, a nutrition expert says. What are the disadvantages of boiling foods? There is a loss of soluble vitamins from foods to the water, if the water is discarded. Some boiled foods can look unattractive. Boiling can also in some cases be a slow method of cooking food. How do you cook broccoli without losing nutrients? Boiling leaches the nutrients out. What is this? Microwaving turns out to be the best way to cook broccoli. The results show that flavonoids actually increase to levels beyond those apparently present in raw broccoli following a short period of microwaving with minimal water. What is the healthiest way to cook veggies? Steaming vegetables has been found to be one of the best ways to cook. A 2009 study prepared broccoli using 5 popular methods: boiling, microwaving, steaming, stir-frying, and stir-frying/boiling. The study found that steaming kept the highest level of nutrients. What is the healthiest cooking option? Choose to steam, bake, grill, braise, boil, or microwave your foods, rather than deep fry them. Use non-stick cookware. Microwave or steam your vegetables instead of boiling them to retain the nutrients. Which cooking method destroys nutrients? The 2 cooking methods that destroy nutrients in food are: cooking food in excess. Water dissolves many nutrients, particularly water-soluble vitamins, in the water. When the extra water is thrown away, the nutrients dissolved in the water are also lost. Cooking food at high heat can destroy vitamin C. Why should we not soak vegetables in water? Soaking vegetables is effective for cleaning them, but it also leaches out water-soluble nutrients, such as certain vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that display antioxidant properties, according to Nutritional Sciences for Human Health. Vitamin C, for example, is susceptible to being leached out. Is it better to boil or cook vegetables? While methods like steaming are better than boiling, the answer depends on the vegetable. As a general rule, keep cooking time, temperature, and the amount of liquid to a minimum when cooking vegetables. That's why steaming is one of the best ways to maximize nutrients.